Welcome to today's video. If you've been struggling with dry, frizzy, or unmanageable hair, then stay tuned, because in this video, I'll show you how to prepare a completely natural keratin treatment using simple ingredients from your kitchen. No chemicals, no salon visits, just pure homemade care that works wonders. It will transform your hair from frizzy to silky. Yes, you heard that right. This treatment has the potential to completely transform your hair. If your hair often looks rough, puffy, or just refuses to stay in place, this remedy is for you. Your hair will be straight from the first use. You'll notice a visible difference after just one application. And the best part? You won't need to blow dry or use straighteners. Straight and silky hair forever. With consistent use, this treatment helps restore your hair's natural structure, making it not just straight, but also naturally silky, soft, and shiny. We will need 1 potato. Let's begin with the first ingredient, just 1 simple potato. Peel it off. Go ahead and peel the skin off completely. We only need the inside part. The starch in potatoes softens the hair and makes it silky. Potatoes are surprisingly powerful when it comes to hair care. The natural starch helps smooth down the hair shaft, softening each strand and giving your hair a silky texture. It strengthens hair follicles and makes hair thicker. Not only that, potato juice is also known to strengthen the roots of your hair, supporting overall hair growth and thickness over time. Wash the potato properly. Before you use it, make sure to wash it thoroughly to remove any dirt or residues. Grate the potato. Next, grate the potato using a fine grater. This helps us extract the most benefit from it. Potatoes also lengthen hair and sprout bald spaces. Did you know? Potato juice has even been used as a traditional remedy to help trigger hair growth in bald spots and to increase the overall length of the hair. We got a potato grated. So now our potato is fully grated and ready for the next step. Put the grated potato in a saucepan. Transfer the grated potato into a small cooking pan or saucepan. Add a cup of water. Pour in 1 cup of water. This will help extract the starch and nutrients when heated. Cook it well on the stove. Now, let's cook this mixture on medium heat. Keep an eye on it. When you get a mixture like this, turn off the stove. Once it thickens slightly and looks like a paste or cloudy liquid, go ahead and turn off the heat. Leave the mixture to cool completely. Let the mixture sit for a while. We need it to cool down before the next step. It's important not to handle it while it's hot. Then grind it well in a blender. Once it cools, transfer it to a blender and grind it thoroughly to make it as smooth as possible. Grind it well to get a smooth mixture. We're looking for a creamy, lump-free texture here. So don't rush, blend it nicely. We got a mixture of this texture. You should get a texture that's smooth and slightly gooey. Filter the mixture with gauze or a piece of cloth. Now strain it using a thin cloth, cheesecloth, or gauze. This helps remove any leftover fibers or lumps. Please click on the like button. If you're finding this tutorial helpful so far, don't forget to click that like button. It really helps the channel grow and supports more natural beauty content like this. If there is any leftover potato, Use it as a face mask pro tip. Don't waste any leftover grated potato. It works wonders as a natural face brightening mask too. Put a tablespoon of cornstarch in another bowl. Now, let's prepare the thickening agent. Take a separate bowl and add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Add 4 tablespoons of water to it. Add about 4 tablespoons of water to the cornstarch and stir it well. Mix well. Make sure there are no lumps. The mixture should be smooth and watery. Add the cornstarch mixture to the potato mixture. Now pour this into the potato blend we prepared earlier. This will make the keratin cream smoother and richer. Mix well. Mix everything thoroughly so that both blends are fully incorporated. Put the mixture in a saucepan. Transfer the final mixture back to the pan again. We're going to cook it one last time. Put it on the stove and stir it constantly. Keep stirring it gently on low to medium heat. Stirring helps prevent clumps and ensures a nice consistency. When you get a creamy mixture, turn off the stove. As soon as you see a thick, creamy texture forming, switch off the heat. Don't overcook. Add a tablespoon of coconut oil. Now for the moisturizing part, add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Coconut oil treats dry and coarse hair. This ingredient is perfect for dry, frizzy, or coarse hair. It deeply hydrates and restores shine. Add a tablespoon of almond oil. Next, add 1 tablespoon of almond oil. Almond oil gives shine and vitality to damaged hair. Almond oil is full of vitamin E and helps repair damage, reduce split ends, and bring life back to dull strands. You can replace these oils with oils of your choice. If you prefer using argan oil, castor oil, or any other hair oil, feel free to make substitutions that suit your hair needs. How do you use this natural keratin? Now that our natural keratin is ready, here's how you can apply it for best results. First, divide your hair into several sections. Start by dividing your hair into small, manageable sections. This ensures even application. Apply this keratin well to each section of your hair. Take your time and apply the mixture from root to tip on each section. Coat every strand well. Cover your hair with a plastic cap. Once applied, cover your hair with a shower cap or plastic wrap to lock in heat and moisture. Leave the keratin on your hair for 2 hours. Let it sit for a good 2 hours. This gives enough time for the nutrients to work on your hair. After that, just wash it with water. Simply rinse your hair with plain water, no shampoo needed right after. Let your hair air dry. Your hair will go from curly to straight forever. You'll be amazed at how your curls relax and your hair looks sleek and nourished. You can use this keratin for little girls. And yes, this treatment is gentle enough to use on children's hair as well. Just make sure they don't have any allergies to the ingredients. Please click on the like button. If you haven't already, please hit that like button and share this video with someone who might need it. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much for watching today's tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe for more natural beauty recipes. See you in the next video.